Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching setup now. First, make sure your LG model supports voice and that you're signed into an LG account. This enables cloud features. Next, pair the Magic Remote or Bluetooth remote. Press and hold the home and back buttons until pairing appears. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi is active and stable because voice commands use online processing. Now navigate to Settings, General Voice to start the actual recognition configuration. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. Now you handle the detailed configuration steps to make recognition accurate. In Settings, General, open Voice Recognition or AI features and choose your preferred language. This affects phrase parsing and accents. Then pick the voice model and privacy options. Make sure to allow cloud processing if you want continual updates and improved accuracy. Proceed with voice training. Read the sample phrases clearly, pause when prompted, and create a personalized profile. Once training completes, test commands like Open Netflix and adjust sensitivity if finished by verifying reliable performance and knowing one key fix. Test a variety of commands, app launches, searches, volume, and channel changes, noting where recognition fails. If accuracy is poor, adjust microphone sensitivity in voice settings, retrain your voice profile, or toggle cloud processing. Make sure the Magic Remote battery is charged and the microphone hole is unobstructed. If problems continue, restart the TV and install any firmware updates. And here's a crucial troubleshooting tip. Reset voice settings only as a last resort, because retraining will be required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.